Next time, prepare this jelly recipe. Let's start by adding in 4 different cups of 4 different kinds of jelly. Add 20 grams of Tutti Frutti jelly, 20 grams of pineapple jelly, 20 grams of grape jelly, and 20 grams of lemon jelly. Then add 250 ml of warm water in each cup and stir with a spoon. This dessert is super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. In a baking pan, drizzle some oil and spread it with kitchen paper. Add one of the jellies and repeat the process with the others. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Leave everything in the fridge for 1 hour to harden. After 1 hour, dice the jellies and use a spatula to remove them from the baking pan. Now, in another baking pan, drizzle some oil and spread it with kitchen paper. Add the jelly dice, mixing them to have a multicolor result. Put the baking pan in the fridge while we prepare the next part. In a bowl, add 12 grams of gelatin and 5 tablespoons of water. Stir and let hydrate for 2 minutes. Then pass it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now, in another big bowl, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of cream cheese, 100 ml of coconut milk, and 100 ml of milk. Stir until smooth. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video, you'd help us a lot. Add the gelatin and stir energetically. Pour the mixture in the baking pan. Spread the jelly dice and leave it in the fridge for 2 hours to harden. And our recipe is done! Look how nice it is! I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!